Number 49 o'clock, maintain 7,000.
November 4 Papa Hotel, just give way to the sky lane there and then taxi Kilo to the ramp.
One more time with a call sign to helicopter at Bountiful.
Yes.
374 Golf Lima clock 0303 IDEF, say altitude.
So Lake Tower, November 2871 Romeo, Cessna Skyline, we hold short of runway 17 and Kilo 9, ready for departure.
2871 Romeo Tower, we are awaiting arriving traffic.
Roger.
Number 4 Golf Lima, radar contact about 2 miles east, Bountiful Sky Park. Clear across Bravo, airspace maintain out below 5,000 while in Bravo. Say your intentions again. Number 2871 Romeo Tower, wind 2504, runway 17, clear for takeoff. Resume navigation to eastbound to Parleys Canyon.
27 Romeo 17 clear to take off, left turn out.
Delta 2080 Tower 1905.
1905, Delta 2080.
Number 96, you can just maintain 6,000. Number 14 Golf, your radar contact to altitude. Number 4 Golf Lima, on course approved, maintain out below 5,000 over I-15.
Out.
Number 14 Golf, altitude your discretion, leaving Salt Lake Bravo, airspace no traffic and search for you and Parleys, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, free change approved. If you want flight following over the ridge line, you'll contact center on 119.905. Number 4 for Victor, this traffic at your 12 o'clock, 2 miles off the direction, 4,700 helicopter. Number 71 Romeo, radar contact to altitude.
27 Romeo 4800.
4 Golf Lima, there is traffic at your 12 o'clock, about 3 miles, 4,900. I believe there's another helicopter there. I think they said they were going to Parleys, but looks like they're just orbiting. There's someone Romeo, if I didn't tell you, altitude is your discretion.
27 Romeo, roger. Tower 27 Romeo, orbiting to climb, and then we stay on the east to the highway.
7 Romeo, traffic at your 12 o'clock, about 2 miles, northbound 6,600, indicated type unknown.
We're looking.
7 Romeo, traffic's off your left wing now, northbound, no factor. What was the request? You want to fly around and climb higher?
Affirmative, we want to climb to 9,500 before we follow the I-80 eastbound.
7 Romeo, just remain over or east of I-15, climb at your discretion.
Stay east to the I-15.
7 Romeo, the other traffic I have for you off your left wing, about a mile and a half, 8,600, indicated type unknown, southbound.
We're looking. 27 Romeo.
Sir, 7 Romeo, you turning back northbound? 7 Romeo, I need you over or east of I-15 for departures. We're south low. I don't want you climbing into our departures, so turn left, please.
I cannot turn left because there's a traffic right next to me.
Sir, 7 Romeo, just continue south for now until you get above them.
Continue. 27 Romeo. 27 Romeo, we're requesting right turn to northbound.
7 Romeo, left turn, please. Left turn.
Label right now.
7 Romeo, you are 500 feet above that traffic off your left. Give me a left turn, please, and head northbound.
Tower 27 Romeo. Alright, make a left turn out.
They're off Sierra, leaving Salt Lake Bravo, airspace, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, and free change approved. Flight following over the ridge line will be center on 119.905.
Okay, squawk 1200 and 995. Thanks for the help today. We'll see you next time out. 00.
They're off Sierra, radar contact to altitude.
4.9 for 5.5, 00.
Sierra, altitude is your discretion.
Out to my discretion. Thanks for that. 00.
Council Lisbon 4, if you're still at Tower 1905. There's someone Romeo, Bravo airspace, radar service terminated, spot VFR, frequency changes approved. If you want flight following over the ridge line, contact center 119.905.
119.905, 27 Romeo.
United 470, contact Salt Lake Center 133.45.
Salt Lake City Center, November 2871 Romeo, VFR with request.
That VFR with request was 2871 November?
November 2871 Romeo, Cessna 182. We follow the eastbound I-80.
Number 2871 Romeo, squawk 3147.
3147.
November 2871 Romeo, radar contact 10 miles southeast of the Salt Lake City Airport. What's your destination? You said you were 182, correct?
Cessna 182, our destination is Kilo Romeo Whiskey Lima.
Number 71 Romeo, roger, maintain VFR, the Eber altimeter 3011.
3011, maintain VFR.
Morning Tower, King Air 25 Romeo, Mike with you on the visual 17. 25 Romeo, Mike Tower, runway 17, continue traffic. May hold up position, you're 7 miles control of an Airbus, caution wake turbulence, 12703.
Morning Salt Lake, United 356, passing 16 floor for 230, direct 5.
United 356, Salt Lake Center, welcome, climb and maintain, flight level 290.
Climb maintain 290, United 356, and did you want normal speed or still 230?
Yeah, you can resume normal speed.
Thank you, normal speed, United 356.
United 1702, contact Salt Lake Center 133.45. Outside 3235, Salt Lake Center, welcome. Number 43 Lima Juliet, contact number center 128.32. Or 43 Lima Juliet, 128.32 Denver Cessna.
Yeah, Salt Lake Center, Cirrus, November, 410 Alpha Sierra request.
Alright, Cirrus, with the request, what's your call sign?
410 Alpha Sierra.
Cirrus 41 Alpha Sierra, go ahead with the request, and what's your position and altitude?
Yeah, currently 11,500, just about 10 miles north of the Heber City Airport, Hotel Charlie Romeo, looking for VFR flight following to Centennial, Kilo Alpha, Papa Alpha.
I appreciate that information. November 410 Alpha Sierra, squawk 6053.
Yeah.
It looks like you're going to be following I-80, and then once you get to Evanston, head eastbound.
Yes, 287 Romeo, Roger. We're going to follow I-80 eastbound.
FedEx 3671, Salt Lake Center, welcome. 7 Romeo, thank you. Delta 2521, United 2041, traffic 12 o'clock, 15 miles, eastbound Airbus 350, westbound Airbus 340. United 2669, Salt Lake Center, welcome. Sentinel aircraft, hazardous weather information, convective segment 12 west on to 1655 Zulu, Colorado, Arizona, Utah, area of thunderstorm activity. More information, flight service frequencies. American 2216, contact Denver Center 135.12. 135.12, American 2216. Number 4 Delta Lima, contact Salt Lake Center 124.35.
124.35 for Delta Lima. Thanks for your help today.
Yeah.